Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by the way sir. In this video I'm gonna show you how to find inverse of matrix using row echelon method or by elementary method or row reduced form. Today we almost completed the theory part of matrices chapter. To see the full chapter, click the I button. So let's begin our class. First, row echelon method. This method depends on two results. Depends on two result. First, A is equal to I cross A. We know matrix A is equal to identity into A. Second, identity is equal to A inverse A. Using these two results, we can find A inverse using elementary method. So let's understand by an example. Find inverse of 0, minus 1, 1, 3, minus 3, 4, 2, minus 3, 4 by elementary method. While doing this method, be careful. It is very lengthy. So let's do it first. First we have to use first concept, that is A is equal to I cross A. A is equal to I cross A. This is A. So better write 0, minus 1, 1, 3, minus 3, 4, 2, minus 3, 4. I means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Better write only A. Now this is our leading entry of first row. This is 0. You have to make this entry as non-zero number. You can use by you can make this as non-zero by using R13 or R12. So apply R12. Apply R12 both side. Sorry, R13 both side. R13 means that is R3 changes to 1, R1 changes to row 1 changes to row 3, and row 3 changes to row 1. It means interchange. That is, this row comes here and this row comes here. That is 2, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 3, 4, 0, minus 1, 1. Both side means it also interchange. That is 0, 0, 1, then 0, 1, 0, then 1, 0, 0. Now apply. To make this leading entry as 1, you have to divide 2 both side. So apply R1 by 2 both side. R1 both side. This is R1. Remember that. So dividing R1 by 2 will get 1 minus 3 by 2, 2, 3 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1. 0 r1 by 2, 0 by 2 0, 0 by 2 0, 1 by 2 1 by 2, 0 sorry 0 1 0, 1 0 0. Write it carefully. Next, uh, to make this entry as 0, you have to make this as identity. I told you that you have to use two concepts. First is A is equal to I cross A. It is used in first initially, and finally we have to make this as I. A converted to I means 1 1 1. Other entries are 0 0 0 0. So to make this as 1 1 and this as 0, so first you should try to make this as 1, then this 0 0 0 1 1 1, then 0 0, in this manner, no? Better. So to make this as 0, that is this is our r2 is equal to r2 minus 3 into r1. Check it. This is r2 3 minus 3 into 1, that is 3 minus 3 is 0. So better do it. 1 minus 3 by 2, 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 3. uh, Take a rough paper and calculate outside the paper. That is minus 3, then r2 is minus 3 minus 3 into r1 is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 is plus, minus 6, taking LCM, minus 6 plus 9 by 2. So 9 minus 6 is 3 by 2. So it becomes 3 by 2. Next, 4 minus 3 into r1, 4 minus 3 into 2, that is 6. 4 minus 6, that is minus 2, and all remain as it is. So 1. Similarly, do this side also. R2, so 0 0 half, R2 means this 0 minus 3 into 0, that is 0. 1 1 minus 3 into r1, 1 minus 0, that is 1. 0 minus 3 into r1, that is 1 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. 0 minus 3 into r1, minus 3 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2, and third row remain as it is. Now apply to make this as 1, multiply 2 by 3 with r2. So r2 is equal to 2 by 3 r2, both side. So here comes 1 minus 3 by 2, 2, 0, 0 into 2 by 3 means 0, 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 means cancel out, that remains 1, then minus 2 into minus 3, check it perfectly. R2 is equal to minus 2, R2 is equal to 2 by 3 into R2, that is minus 2, that is minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3, 0 minus 1 1. R2 0 0 half, R2 means 2 by 3 R2, 2 by 3 R2 means 0, that is 0. 2 by 3 R2, that is 1. 2 by 3 into 1, that is 2 by 3. Next 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 2, cancel out, minus 1. Other remains as it is. Now to make it 0, we can write R3 is equal to R3 plus R2, both sides, and that is 1 minus 3 by 2, 2, 0, 1 minus 4 by 3, and R3 is equal to R3 plus R2, 0 plus 0, that is 0, this plus this plus this plus this, that is 0, this plus this, 1 minus 4 by 3, so 3 minus 4 by 3, that is minus 1 by 3, so minus 1 by 3, 0, 0, half, 0, 2 by 3, minus 1, R3, that is R3 plus R2, 1 plus 0, that is 1, 0 plus 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3, 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Next, to make this as 1, we have to multiply minus 3. So R3 is equal to minus 3 into R3, both sides. So this becomes 1 minus 3 by 2, 2, 0, 1 minus 4 by 3, 0, 0, R3 means minus 3 into R3, minus 3 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 0, 0, minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 into minus 1 by 3, that is 1. Now R3 means 0, 0, half, 0, 2 by 3, minus 1, R3 is equal to minus 3 into R3, minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3, minus 3 into R3, minus 3 cancel out, so it remains minus 2, minus 3 into R3, minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3, multiplied with A. Now 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now to make this as 0, that is R1 is equal to R1 plus 3 by 2 R2. Check it. Minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into 1. That is cancel out. Now if you add these two, 1 plus 0, 1 remain. Now solve it both sides. 1 plus 0, that is 1, minus 3 by 2 plus 1 into 3 by 2, that is cancel out, 0, 2, have a rough note, 2 plus 3 by 2 into R2, that is minus 4 by 3. So 3 3 cancel out, 2 to cancel out, 2 minus 2, that is 0. Write it. 0, 1 minus 4 by 3, 0, 0, 1 is equal to R1 is equal to R1 plus 3 by 2 R2. 0 into 3 by 2, 0, that is 0. 0 plus 3 by 2 into 2 by 3, that is 1. 0 plus 3 by 2 into R2, that is 2 by 3. Cancel out, that is only 1. Next, half minus 3 by 2 into 1. So minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. Next 0, 2 by 3, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 3 multiplied with a. Now to make this as 0, multiply, yes, that is R2 is equal to R2 plus 4 by 3 R3, 4 by 3 R3, check it, minus 4 by 3, then R2 means minus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into 1, minus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 cancel out, so it becomes 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, check it properly. R2 is equal to R2 plus 4 by 3 R3, 0 plus 4 by 3 into R3, that is 0, 1 plus 4 by 3 into 0, that is 1, this plus 4 by 3 into 1, that is plus 4 by 3, cancel out, 0. Now this converted into R2 means 0 1 minus 1 0, sorry, R2 0, check it properly, that is R2 means 0 plus 4 by 3 into R3, that is minus 3, so minus 3 cancel out, that is minus 4, means this as minus 4. Next 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into R3, that is minus 2, that is 2 minus 8 by 3 minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2, so this becomes minus 2. Now minus 1 plus 4 by 3 into 3, 3 cancel out, 4 minus 1, that is 3, this becomes 3, so minus 3 minus 2 3 is equal to a. Now compare with second result, that is I is equal to a inverse into a. Surely this is I, this is a, so clearly this can be written as a inverse. So clearly a inverse is equal to 0 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 3 minus 2 3. This is our final answer by row echelon method or row reduced method. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any feedback or comment, then comment me in comment section. Thanks.